This graph below shows the relationship between the pounds of cheese bought at a deli and the total cost in dollars for the cheese. Which of the following statements about the graph are true? So we'll go through each statement, reasoning through what they're giving us or telling us about the graph and see if it's true or false. So the first statement says the point 0, shows the cost is $0 for 0 pounds of cheese. Well, the point is x comma y, so that's showing that 0 on the graph here would mean that x is 0, so 0 pounds of cheese would cost $0, a y and x value of 0. So that means that statement 1 is true. It costs $0 if you buy 0 pounds of cheese. It's no money for no pounds of cheese. That makes sense. Now let's look at statement number 2. The point 0.25 comma 1 shows the cost is 25 cents for 1 pound of cheese. So if we have the ordered pair 0.25 comma 1, that's an x value and a y value. So x is the weight in pounds of cheese. So that should be 0.25, so 0.25 pounds of cheese. But wait a minute, this is saying that's only 1 pound of cheese. So right away the x value is not matching up with the correct x value for pounds. 0.25 for x should mean 0.25 pounds of cheese. And then 1 for y should mean that costs $1. Well, we're saying it costs 25 cents. So the values are actually mixed or switched. So statement number 2 is false. Statement number 3, we have the point 0.5 comma 2 shows that 0.5 pound of cheese costs $2. So let's take a look. The ordered pair is 0.5 comma 2. X is 0.5, so that would mean 0.5 pounds because X is the weight in pounds, which we have in our statement, 0.5 pounds of cheese. And the Y value is 2, so that's the total cost should be $2, which we have. Yes, the point 0.52, which is on our graph, that is our line, so that is a true point for the graph, shows that 0.5 pounds of cheese costs $2. So statement number 3 is also true. Let's look at statement number 4. We have the point 14 shows the cost is $4 for 1 pound of cheese. So with 14, that means we have an x value of 1, so that x is the weight. So we should have 1 pound of cheese in the statement, and we do. And then the y value is 4, so we should have 4, the y value, being a total cost of $4, which is also true in our statement. And the 0.14 is on our line, so it matches up with our graph. So the 0.14 shows the cost is $4 for 1 pound of cheese is true. Finally, we have the 0.28 shows that 8 pounds of cheese costs $2. So the 0.28 would be an x value of 2. So that should be showing the weight in pounds of cheese for 2 pounds of cheese. Well, right away in our statement, we have 8 pounds of cheese, so that's not matching the 2 pounds of cheese. And then the y value of 8 should be saying it costs $8. Well, this is saying it costs $2. Again, they have it backwards, very similar to the second statement. So this statement is false as well. So the only 3 statements that are true are 1, 3, and 4, making our answer choice B.